This is Jake, Oscar 4 Tango Joy Papa. Today I'm going to be showing off my little toolbox here. It's another tackle box. First of all, I have a pin in that side and a couple of 2-it coins in that one. So yes, now moving forward, we have unlocking the box. I have some electronic components, including electrical tape, just some random safety pins, a nail. These are pretty cool. These are SIM ejector tools. I got off Wish. These LED elements I have off Wish. Notepad, but this is one of those industrial ones that can survive water. I have some PVC boarding. I also have a couple more pins and Sharpies. Moving into the next layer, I have, this is just my electronic hobby one, so I have a random battery power thing that I may or may not will use. A couple screwdrivers, not bolts, but screw heads that go to a screwdriver that's out on my desk currently. Socket wrenches. This is a non-contact voltage meter. It's yes. And then down here I have a soldering gun, another nano SIM adapter with the nano, micro, and regular, along with another SIM ejector tool. I have a voltage meter here. As you can tell, I have no high voltage. I believe this one can go up to 250. Yes, I believe so. 250. Soldering. I have a name tag here, which need to get fixed. We apply to a name tag magnet. Screwdriver down here for computer parts. Wire strippers and solder. So, then I have the cable that goes to the voltage meter. So yes, if you would like to see more from KO4TJP, be sure to follow us online on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram at KO4TJP. So that's Q Oscar 4 Tango Joy Papa. Thanks for watching, everyone, and have a great day. Thanks.